Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is going to be using the Beauty Abounds stamp set, one of my favourites. And all we're going to be using is this thanks here. But the main feature of this card is the free celebration paper pack, which is just adorable. I love this paper so much. I didn't want to do much with it because of it's just so pretty. So let's get started. Move it back to one side. So I'm going to bring in an extended note card, and that measures 6.4 by 11.4. And I've already created a mat of basic black as well as a mat of that DSP. So that just sits over the top like so, and that just gives a teeny tiny border, and that's because I want the focus to be on the paper. So let's get that adhered down. I'm just going to use my snail adhesive like so, and because I know it's teeny tiny, I just line up one side with the top and bottom, and then I know when I put it down the other side is going to be perfect. Then turn that over and stick that down like so. Easy peasy. So I have got a piece of vellum as well here, which is just a teeny tiny square, and that measures 4.5 by 3. And I'm going to bring in my everyday label punch, and what I'm going to do is just going to slip the corner in like so and punch, and that's just going to give me that ticket edge, and do it for all 4. Like so. And as you can see then, I've got that little bit of detail. The reason why I chose vellum for this card is just purely because I didn't want to hide any of that paper. It's just so pretty. Why cover it? So I'm going to bring in my sentiment as well, which I've heat embossed that thanks onto basic black cardstock. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some mini dimensionals, and I'm just going to pop that right behind where the sentiment is like so, and then I can adhere that in the middle of that piece of vellum, so I can get the thanks right in the middle, and then I can cut down the edges to where I want them. There we go. Ooh, apologies. There we go. So then all that's going to do is sit on top of like so. But because I know where the basic black is, I can use dimensionals again, just to pop the vellum up as well, just so then we don't actually lose the vellum in the actual DSP. And there you have today's card. I hope you enjoyed today's project. While you're here, why not like, comment and subscribe, as well as share to all your social media channels. In the description bar below is a list of the products used and where to purchase them. See you around. Bye.